Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are liking my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So in today's tutorial we will learn about control flow in Python. So what control flow is and how we can use it. So basically in Python or in any programming language, everyone needs to make some logic to make some decision. Okay, and today we will explore one of the fundamental tools for decision making, which is if-else statement in Python. Okay, so basically control flow is how a program determines which part of the code to execute based on certain condition. Okay, you can think of it as a traffic light guiding cars in different direction, right? Okay, so let's start with if condition. So if condition is just to check whether a condition is true and execute that part of the code. Okay, let's say we have this block of code. So what it is doing, basically it is checking if the number is greater than 10 or not, greater than 5 or not. Okay, so let's say we have number which is 10. If we run this, we will get number is greater than 5. Now what will happen if we put the number as 4? In this case the program won't print out anything because we don't have anything to do if the number is less than 5. Okay, so in that scenario we can use the else block. So else block will execute if the if condition is not true. So we can just put a else block like this, and we can say if the number is greater than 5 it will print this, otherwise we will print number is 5 or smaller. So now it is smaller than 5. So now we have this print out. Now there is one more else if. Okay, and using else if we can change multiple condition. So let's say here we have one block where number is greater than 10, and now if we say if the number is greater than 5, then we will say number is greater than 5, otherwise number is smaller than 5. If we have number 4, it will print this block of code because these two conditions are not true, because number is not greater than 5 and not greater than 10. Now if we put 6 here, so we will get number is greater than 5. So this block of code, basically here we need else if. Okay, number is greater than 5 because this condition is true, but this condition is not true. Okay, now if we put number as 11, we will get number is greater than 10 because first condition is becoming true. So we are getting this. Now let's say we want to do some nested if else, which is also possible. So if our number is greater than 5, okay, we want to put some more condition. Okay, if number is greater than 8, within greater than 5, if the number is greater than 8, we will print number is greater than 8, otherwise we will print else, will print number is less than 8, smaller than 8. So now within this else if condition there are two more if else. This is called nested if else. Okay, so if we put number as 9, so this will come to this code block first because this condition is true. It will print this line, and after that it will again check if the number is greater than 8. So right now we have number 9, so this condition is true. So this line will also get printed. So basically we will get these two as output. Okay, number is greater than 5 and then number is greater than 8. If we put the number as 7 here, again this condition is true. So we will get this line first, and after that it will check if the number is greater than 8, which is false in our case. So now it will print this line. So we will get this line and this line as an output. So number is smaller than 8 and number is greater than 5. So like this we can change multiple condition. Just make sure that your indentation is correct, because If you see here, first if start from here, then all the code block for this if will go under here. We need some tab or spaces. Now if we want to start another else if, it will start again from the same where we started the if. Then here from here one tab we will start next statement. If you want another nested if else, it will start from here, not from here, right? Because it is nested, we should start from within this else if. So like this indentation works. So let me give you one real example. Let's say we are creating some discount system for our customers. Okay. So we will say if a customer is a premium customer, okay, we will give 20% discount. Okay. If not premium, what we will do? We will check if the total purchase amount is around $100 or 100 rupees, whatever, okay, is greater than 100, then we will give them discount of 10%. Otherwise there is no discount. Okay, this is our scenario. Okay, so let's say first we have a variable called is premium customer member equal to, we will mark it as true first. Okay, so this condition, we have premium customer. Okay, and we will say the purchase amount is around, let's say 120. Now we need to build our logic. We will say first condition is if is a premium member. Okay, this is boolean condition, so we just need to write if is premium member, so it will return true or false. If it is true, then we will give them a, let's say, discount variable of 0.2. Okay, 0.2. Next, else, if not a premium customer, then again there are two conditions within that else. So we will check if the amount, this one, is greater than 100. Okay, if greater than 100, we will give them a discount of how much? 10%. Okay, 0.1, 10%, right? Else the discount will be how much? 0. There is no discount. Okay, so this is our logic for whole this stuff. So now we need to calculate the final price. Okay, so final price will be, so this if block is completed. Now again we need to start from here. So final price, what will be the final price? Whatever the purchase amount we have, then we need to minus the discount, basically multiply by the discount. 1 minus discount, whatever. So if 20% discount, we will give them the purchase amount, 80% of purchase amount will be the final price. And now we'll print the final price. Okay, or if we can write it in good way, we can write final price is curly braces this. This is string formatting, as we have already seen in our last video. Okay, so the final price is 96. Why? Because it's a premium customer and we are giving a 20% discount. So 20% of 120 is how much? 24, and we are getting final price as 96. Now let's say is not a premium customer. Okay, so now this condition is false. We will come to else. Within else, it will check the purchase amount is greater than 100, which is true. So we will get a 10% discount, means it will minus 12 rupees from the purchase amount, and we will get 108. Okay, now he is not a premium customer and he purchased with amount of 80. So again this condition is false. It will come to the else block. Now we will check the purchase amount is greater than 100, which is false. So it will come to this else block, and discount is 0. So the final price would be 80. Okay, So I hope you got a better understanding of how if else and else if block works in Python. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're liking this video and share with your friends. Okay, please comment if you need some more information on this. Thank you.